Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a public profile in Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy. Now whether you are on an iPhone or Android, the first step is to open up the Snapchat application. Now when you are on here, at the top left, just tap on your profile. And then we are going to tap on this gear icon at the top right corner, and let's just scroll down because we are going to find a settings. It says see me in quick add, and we are going to toggle this on so that automatically people can find you, subscribe to your profile, all that stuff. So let's go back here. After you have done that, go back again, and now you are on your profile. If you scroll down, you should see somewhere on here, so you will see this create a public profile, and it says new. Just tap on it. It says show your name, build a public profile. This adds the subscribe button to your profile, and I'm going to hit get started and create. So it's free, anybody can do this and basically sets up their public profile. I scroll up, I actually can see it. Just tap on my public profile here. You can see I have name, my username, how many followers I have, stories, spotlights, insights. You can always hit edit here to edit your bio, add a location, your subscriber account, change your profile image, all of these different things. You can do that now that you have this public profile. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.